you're serious about losing body fat, this is really all you need to know. I'm gonna make it so freaking simple. First things first, for the next 4 weeks, you're only gonna eat single ingredient foods. Chicken, beef, eggs, salmon, tomatoes, berries, lettuce, avocado, olives. You're only going to eat things with one ingredient. That doesn't mean that you can't eat multiple foods at one time, but you're only going to eat things with one ingredient. If you tolerate dairy, you can also have like non-fat Greek yogurt, etc. But I want most of your meals to be single ingredient foods. The next thing is you're going to pay attention to your portions. Every portion of food is roughly a palm size. And yes, we all have different size palms, but this is roughly a serving of protein, roughly a cup of carbohydrate, right? Roughly a cup of berries, vegetables, etc. And then the amount of fats that you have on your plate should be about the size of your thumb. So about that much avocado, about that much, I'm blanking completely on fats. That many olives, this many, nuts, that kind of thing. So you're only going to eat single ingredient foods. Number 2, you're going to watch your portions of those foods. Number 3, at every meal, you are going to have protein, carbs, and fat on your plate. You're also going to be tracking your food, so you're going to make sure that you're getting enough fiber. Having protein, carbs, and fat and fiber at every meal will help make sure that you stay satiated, fuller for longer, and that you don't have as many food cravings. If you've heard people say that protein and fiber are the original Ozempic, it's true, because they actually activate GLP-1 naturally within your body. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take as many steps a day as you can. That's reasonable. So if you can take 10,000 steps a day, great, do it. If that's more like 8,000 for you, great, do it. I want you to do that consistently every single day. If you have one lower day, okay. If you have one higher day, even better. But I want you to be consistent. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to actually go to bed at a realistic bedtime, like the adult that you are. You're going to not stay up doom scrolling on your phone. You're going to treat your sleep as just important as your food, because at the end of the day, you lose the most fat in your sleep, and your ability to recover and wake up refreshed is going to be the difference between you eating less, moving more, and generally just functioning better. Eating single ingredient foods, watching your portion sizes, being more active, and getting more sleep are seriously such a freaking amazing start. And we're not even talking about exercising yet. If you can seriously do those things consistently every single day for the next 4 weeks, your body will be so different than it is right now. Your mind will be so different than it is right now. You will feel amazing. And yes, I would really like it if you could also strength train 3 to 4 times a week. That would just be a cherry on top of you being a completely new person in 4 weeks. If you want more details, if you want to set up a consult so I can actually help you more specifically with what makes sense for your life, head to my bio and do that. But otherwise, seriously, report back in 4 weeks and tell me how amazing life is now, because once you go to that life, you're never going to want to go back. And the cherry on top of all this will be also don't have alcohol in the next 4 weeks either. Alcohol is a neurotoxin that causes 7 different kinds of preventable cancer, and it sure as shit doesn't help with fat loss. It will prevent fat burning for up to 36 hours as your body is ridding this toxic poison from your system. And that is not debated in the scientific community. So if you think that a little alcohol is fine, it's not. Google it. Don't have to take my word for it. But you will be a different person, and I will love to continue to help you on your journey. So head to my bio and let's talk.